So, is that the first set of bearings you're putting in? You should take a look at that. You don't still have that bad set that you were showing me, eh?
Oh, I do. It's in the house.
Oh,
I wrapped it in cloth and put it on the fridge.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But
From the looks of that one, it was badly needed. And one of the rollers busted right out of it, eh?
Oh yeah. It was the front one here. So now we know what to look out for because both sides had like dirt and mud in them on the front one.
Especially the front, eh?
Especially the front.
And then the third wheel seems to be the one getting the easy ride.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the third one's going on the back now.
Uh-huh. Yeah. This side here we got the tracks on. Back on. So this side is done. And we took this window and the front window out already to trace them on paper, and then brought that into the glass place, and they're gonna cut us up some new glass because that's badly shattered. So, well, that kind of gives a status report on where things are right now. Next thing to do, the motor's all done, and we'll pop that. Tristan's going to pop that into the Bombi after the wheels are done, and we're thinking to get the rear wheels foam filled.
Yeah.
So
before winter.
That should be interesting. Then if you run over pointy stumps and stuff like that in the bush, you don't get stranded with a flat, because the rear wheels are the ones that will keep you going if they don't go flat. The rear wheel goes flat, then the tracks come loose and you're stuck. So we're going to foam fill at least 2 rear wheels for about $450. Best to do it.
Lifetime investment.
Yeah. Yeah, being stranded out in the way back is not a good idea, especially in the winter. Person could die. That's why actually Opa, whenever he took this machine out, hunting, and we go far away, he always packed his big Arctic sleeping bag. That's partly why they built that extended rack on the back, actually, so he could pack stuff like that.
Camp if you needed to, yeah.
That sleeping bag was huge, with flannel and everything. So you could just lay it on the snow and cover yourself, get in there and sleep soundly through even the coldest night.
I see.
So he always had that with him.
That's pretty smart.
Yeah. Yeah, because the further out you go, the harder it is to get back if you break down, especially when you're in deep snow and it's a blizzard. So.
I don't think that's happening anymore.
No.
Should always be able to get home.
Yeah, well, that's why I always like to prefer to go with 2 machines, eh? You go way out with a machine even like this. It's nice. It would be nice to have a second guy in a skidoo following, and then if one breaks down, you can get back with the other.
Now cut to me rebuilding the skidoo motor.
Yeah, yeah, we got that on video too. Okay, there's a trailer, all ready to haul this thing.
And it's so steady. Like,
is
there a gimbal in there?
No, it doesn't need. These ones don't need gimbals. Like I can be running around with it and bouncing around, and it does it with the digitally. Eh? Just kind of moves the image around in the camera, so everything stays rock steady. Yeah. Weather is getting a little wild.